Are you looking for the best 3 plasma cutting machine that can give you smooth, clean cuts without costing a fortune? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing 3 of the most popular plasma cutters on Amazon that DIY hobbyists and professionals across the US are loving. I'll break down their features, pros and cons, and even share what real customers are saying. Stay with me till the end, because the last one on this list is a real powerhouse that might just blow you away. Product 1. Duratec 40A Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The Duratec 40A Plasma Cutter is a solid choice if you want something compact, safe, and easy to use. With dual voltage support, 120V and 240V, you can plug it in almost anywhere, at home or on the job. Its non-touch pilot arc technology allows you to cut through painted or rusty metals without damaging the tip, which means less wear and longer consumable life. It also comes with a digital display and adapter plug, making setup simple even for beginners. Pros: lightweight and portable, smooth cutting, safety certified, easy to operate. Cons: limited to 40 amps, not suitable for cutting very thick steel. Customer review. One buyer wrote, "This little cutter is powerful and clean, perfect for my garage projects." Product 2. Yes Welder Cut 50DS Digital Inverter. Next up is the Yes Welder Cut 50DS, designed for users who want more power and precision. It's a 50A plasma cutter that works with both 110V and 220V, giving you flexibility for different projects. The standout feature is its large digital display that shows real-time voltage, current, and air pressure, making it easy to stay in control. Its pilot arc starts instantly, giving you faster, cleaner cuts and reducing consumable costs over time. Pros: higher cutting power, user-friendly digital screen, great for thick metals, reliable performance. Cons: slightly heavier, works best on 220V for thicker materials. Customer review. One customer said, "This machine performs like a professional cutter at half the price. Couldn't be happier." Product 3. 60 Amp CNC Compatible Plasma Cutter. Finally, the 2020 Power Plasma is for serious users who need heavy-duty cutting capacity. This machine can handle up to 1-inch thick steel without hesitation. Built with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it offers stable and efficient power delivery, and many models are even CNC ready, making them perfect for fabrication shops. It's more expensive than the other 2, but it's built to last with solid warranty options and outstanding durability. Pros: extremely powerful, cuts thick steel with ease, CNC compatible, long-term reliability. Cons: higher price tag, not ideal for small DIY jobs. Customer review. A buyer shared, "I've tried several cutters, but this one is a lifetime investment. It's strong, precise, and built to last." Best 3 plasma cutting machine. Which one's your